Hello and welcome. Today we are going to learn place value, tens and ones, and also how we can show numbers using an abacus. Once you understand this, numbers will become super easy. Let's look at a problem first. So here we have some sticks on our screen and we need to know how many sticks do we have in total. How do we go about it? We count the sticks. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 sticks in the first bundle. Then 3 individual sticks. So 11, 12, 13. So the answer is 13. Counting one by one works, but it's really slow. Let's try it a different way by grouping the numbers. So here we have the same problem again, but now let's group the first set of sticks. So here now we have a group of sticks which we know has 10 sticks. And now how many sticks do we have in total? We know this bundle of sticks has 10, so 11, 12, 13. Still the same answer, but a lot faster. And what happens if I add one more bundle? So now we have 2 bundles. Can you tell me the final count? Let me erase this. You're right, it's 23. How did we get 23? So these bundles, each bundle has 10 sticks. When we combine both of these bundles, we get 20 sticks. And these are 3 individual sticks, 1, 2 and 3. So it gives us 20 plus 3, which is 23. Why am I writing this in 2 different colors? Because the number 2 now represents 10's place and the number 3 represents 1's place. So 2 bundles have 2 sets of 10's and 2 10's are 20. 20 plus 3 gives us 23. So the group is called tens. Individual elements or sticks are ones. Now let's solve some more problems to better understand this. Here, can you tell me which number is in tens place and which is in ones place? You're right. Here we have 2 in tens place and 3 in ones place. How can we write this in expanded form? So 2 tens gives us 20 and 3 ones gives us 3. This is the expanded form of the number and the place of the number tells us its value. So 2 in tens place gives us 20, 3 in ones place gives us 3. And the same number can have different values depending on its place. Let's try this out. So one number we have 33. Here we have both numbers which are same, but they have different places. First 3 is in tens place, second is in ones. 3 tens 30, 3 ones 3. So same number but in different places gives us different values. Now what about 45? Can you tell me which number is in tens place and which is in ones? You're right. 4 is in tens place and 5 is in ones place. 4 tens gives us 40 and 5 ones gives us 5. Excellent work. Now you try one more number. Can you tell me? Yes, 4 tens and 7 ones. Now let's see how we can show this using an abacus. So this is a simple abacus. Let's add some numbers. So in the tens place, we added 1 and in the ones place, we added another 1. So what number does it represent? This one is tens and this one is ones. So we have 1 in tens place and 1 in ones place, which is, you're right, 11. So this represents 11. Now let's change it. Can you tell me the count now? Yes, it's 34. How do we get 34? So now we have 3 in tens place and 4 in ones place, which gives us 3 tens represents 30 and 4 ones represents 4, giving us 34. 3 tens gives you 30 and 4 ones gives you 4. That's how we read an abacus. Now let's do a final revision of what we learned. So first, we counted simply the objects that we have. But this was really slow. Then we bundled the numbers together. Each bundle of sticks has 10 sticks. 2 bundles gives us 10 and 10 each, total 20 sticks. And these individual sticks are called ones. So we have 3 single sticks making the count 3. So 2 tens gives us 20, 3 ones gives us 3. 20 plus 3 gives us 23. Each number has a place and the place tells its value. So 2 in tens position gives you 20 and 3 in ones position gives you 3. Then we solved some numbers. So here 2 is in tens position giving us 20, 3 is in ones position giving us 3. Same for 45. 4 tens is 40 and 5 ones is 5. These are the expanded forms of these numbers. And then we understood how do we read values in an abacus. Here we have 3 balls in tens position giving us the value 30, 3 tens, and then we have 4 balls in ones position giving us the value 4, making the total 34. That's how we read abacus. So now you understand how numbers are built and shown. Practice with different numbers every day. Try the expanded forms, try to read them in abacus, and you'll become perfect. Hope this helped you understand. Thank you and keep learning.